Imagine opening a fridge, and you discover a tiny world living inside. That world looks just like Earth, but everything is miniature and moving super fast. Yet the fridge was just a second-hand buy for $20. What's crazier? The civilization inside evolves insanely fast, from the medieval age, jumping straight to the industrial era, then transforming into a modern city with towering buildings. The couple who owned the fridge stood in shock, curious about what would come next. When night came and they opened it again, the little world had already turned futuristic. With technology far beyond reality,